Rere kuratuika kaunti 13 ni hutie ni ng'aragu ruriri rwo hindi ruria ruikaraga guku bururi-ini ni manyitite mwaro na kuheana uteithio wa irio kuria manyitanire na ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune.
Maize meal for carbohydrates, beans for protein. We should be having this food on the ground by tomorrow, inshallah.
Tani 150 ni tumetwo mena ya Turkana na Baringo iri na irio muthemba wa mbembe na mboco gatagati-ini ga tani 500 iria macangite.
We are flagging off 10 trucks, out of which 6 trucks are destined to go to Baringo and 4 trucks are going to Turkana.
Oho ruriri ruru ni rurutite uteithio wa shiringi milioni 40 iria itanyitwo guteithia o family na shiringi 3,500.
This next week we're going to be giving almost 3,500 families in Baringo County 3,000 shillings each. They can buy their food, and if they need to buy animals or if they need to send children to school, that's the money they will use.
Ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune rukiuga ni rutanyite kugaya irio ici kaunti-ini cia Kitui, Garissa na Nyeri kuria ona kurerikana kwaya gukorwo ni kuhutie ni ng'aragu.
In the next coming weeks, we are hoping that all the 50 trucks will go to most of the affected parts of the country and help the people who are in dire need of our assistance.
Uteithio uyu urutitwo riri a Kenya aingi mateanire ikaya riri na kuga igoti riria marutaga rimarugamirire nayo thirikari mwena ungigikinyiriria gutire na ng'aragu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.